If you own a home, one of the most important considerations is to maximize your home's value over the course of your home ownership. I teach a seller class, and in that seller class, what I'm about to tell you is probably one of the most important things for you to take away. First of all, if we're talking about upgrades in maximizing your home's value, the very first thing to always consider is fix what's broken. If there's something that's broken and you go over here and you do something super cool, but there's still a bunch of things that are broken, your money isn't maximized at all until you fix what's broken. If you're gonna only do one thing across your home, it's fix what's broken. But once everything's fixed and your home is in generally good repair, if you wanna know exactly how to make sure that you maximize your home investment, your home weekend warrior projects, running to Lowe's, doing things in the yard, doing things in the house, over the course of your home ownership, you wanna make sure that when you go to sell, the upgrades are consistent. That's it. That's the silver bullet counsel you're gonna get in a lot of our pro coaching that we give. Keep your upgrades consistent. If you put tens of thousands of dollars into the kitchen, but the rest of the house doesn't get any of that love, unfortunately, you're not gonna get the tens of thousands of dollars worth of home value out because it has to be consistent for somebody to pay you top dollar. So either if you have a specific budget and a short time frame, spread out that budget across the house and upgrade the whole home consistently, maybe not as much as you wish you could, but with that money, spread it across the whole house. Or if you're gonna live in your home for a long period of time and you're gonna break down those projects into little chunks, remodel the kitchen, and then remodel the master bathroom, and then upgrade the hardware throughout the entire house and make it all consistent. Keep the finishes consistent, keep the upgrades consistent, and of course, I know you're thinking, well, if I do that over the course of 10 years, one thing will be out of date by the time I get done. You know what? It's gonna all work out. At the end of the day, when you're making upgrades, make sure that it's something that you love if you're gonna stay in the house. If you're selling right away, make sure that we counsel you, because it doesn't matter what you love. What matters is what gets you the most money. And so those two things make a big difference. Are you upgrading it just to sell? Or are you upgrading it little by little, which I hope you're doing over the course of your home ownership, so that someday when you go to sell, all of your work will pay off and bam, it'll be worth more than anyone else on the block because you've been being consistent to make consistent upgrades across the whole house. We do home walkthroughs and pro coaching for our clients all across the area. And if you want me to walk through your house and give you counsel, just book a link, give us a call, send me a text, and I'd love to give you this counsel specifically to your home.